Book Bites, bite-sized book talks from the Bettendorf Public Library.
Hello, I'm Librarian Christine Garrow, and it's time for another bite-sized book talk from the Bettendorf Public Library. Today I'm going to be talking about the book The Rhino in the Right Field by Stacy DeKeyser. As a son of Greek immigrants, going to a Greek school and working at his dad's store are part of 12-year-old Nick Spiraki's routine. But Nick would much rather play baseball, even though their field is right up next to the town zoo. Fly balls can end up in Tank the Rhino's pen, requiring the boys to hop the fence and outrun Tank to retrieve them. When Nick hears about a competition to become Batboy for a day for the local adult minor league baseball team, he wants more than anything to enter. But it takes place on a weekend when Nick is supposed to help out in the store. So his parents tell him no. Feeling frustrated, Nick comes up with a plan to enter the contest. But will he resort to lies and manipulation to enter the contest? The Rhino in the Right Field is an Iowa Children's Choice Award nominee for 2021. Thanks for listening!